Hey, I'm Kevin, and in this video, I'm going to show you what's inside my bag. I do a lot of bag reviews. Today, we're going to focus on what's in those bags. So this is the gear I carry every day. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through some of my favorite everyday carry items right now in 2024. Okay, so first off, we're going to start with the bag. This is the GoRuck 26-liter wax canvas version of the M23. This one happens to be the dark oak color. And this is the bag that I've been picking more often, really over any other bag I own right now. So I really like the M23. I love the wax canvas version. This is the bag I'm carrying the most and I'm choosing to carry over pretty much any other bag I own right now. Let's open it up and take a look at what I have inside. So I'm gonna start with this front pocket right here. This is the front pocket that offers, this bag offers the great on-body access. You can get to this by swinging it around, but this you've probably seen in a lot of my videos, and it's something I always carry. I call it my mini Dopp kit, but this is a Topo design pouch, size medium, I believe. Love this pouch. I've thought about moving to something that offered a little bit more organization, but I just love how simple this pouch is and its size, and it's perfect. So I still carry this, and I've carried it for quite a while now. But taking a look inside, I've just got a lot of different stuff I may need on a daily basis. You know, when I leave for work in the morning, I'm usually gone for 10 to 14 hours, and sometimes you need some stuff, right? Next item in the pocket is the sidebound notebook cover from Rite in the Rain. So this is the C980B. I think the B stands for black. There's also a coyote version and a multicam version. I think this is 500D. I know it's Cordura and it feels like 500D to me, but I'm not 100% sure. So these are made in the US by Tactical Tailor for Rite in the Rain. I've got a notebook in here and some pens. Rite in the Rain pen. This is a pen designed to write on Rite in the Rain's paper, but basically any ballpoint pen will. I've got a grease pen, a couple colored pens, a pencil. You've got a pocket on the side here. You can put a notebook on this side, so I've got a notebook with the back cover in there, and then there's another pocket on the back, and then you can see the Tactical Tailor tag right there. So, pretty cool setup. I really like this notebook cover. You just throw it in your bag and you've got everything you need to take notes all in one spot. I've got a notebook, pens, everything together. When I pull it out, I'm ready to jot some stuff down if necessary. So moving on to the main compartment, I've got a cap 2 on the bottom of this bag. So I pretty much carry at least one cap 2 every day. Right now, this one is loaded out with some action cam gear. So I've got Insta 360 X3, the Go 3, I believe it is, in here. Yeah. And then I've got the selfie stick and a little tripod that attaches. Some of the attachment stuff, some screen wipes, but accessories and attachments in that pocket. That's cool because, you know, if you're familiar with cap 2s, that's accessible from the outside or the inside. Love the setup on the cap 2s. And right now, I'm just carrying this one, but sometimes I carry 2. All right, so this is the new Eco Pack version of the cap 2 in this cool blue color. So we'll move on to the next item, and that is the Garage Built Gear Ultimate EDC Organizer. So I just picked this up. I think I showed up last week. This is a wax canvas version in chocolate, and I love everything that Garage Built Gear puts out. I believe he's down in Tennessee, and if I'm not mistaken, his name is Matt, and he just makes awesome pouches, and I basically want to buy all of them. All right, so we've got some great high-vis orange interior here. That's pretty cool. We've got a couple zippered mesh pockets and then some loops for organization. We've got a pocket on the inside as well as a pocket on the front, and then there's another zip loop pocket on the back. So lots of loop fields to put patches on it, and a lot of organizational options for the inside. So I've got in this pocket, this is kind of like my tech pocket, I've got some cables and charging stuff. I've got my AirPods in there. Down here, I've got this set up to hold my memory cards and SSD drive, so it's kind of like a digital storage pouch. Over here on this side, and this is pretty cool, I wanted to point this out. I think these have been around for a little while now, but I don't know, Victomix? I have no idea how to pronounce that, but I love this little battery. It's 10,000 milliamp hours, so it's not, you know, a super high capacity battery, but it's extremely portable. And I think it's capable of 22.5 watts, PD 3.0 output. So this will charge pretty fast, and it's just so compact and easy to carry pretty much anywhere, right? So, you know, I like having some type of portable battery on me to top up in an emergency situation or if my phone gets low. And then we've also got the Leatherman Arc in here. So Arc is pretty cool for its one-handed operation. You could pretty much get to any tool on here and use it with one hand. Although I will say it's typically a little easier to open than close. You've got these notches, right? And these are magnetically held in place so you can individually pop out these tools. Everything with one hand. So love the Leatherman Arc. I've also got some of the bits that go with it. All right, next up we've got the Streamlight Micro Stream. So I've been carrying Streamlight flashlights for a long time. They come in a variety of different sizes. They're not the most expensive or the brightest flashlights out there, but they are affordable and extremely durable. So this one I carry every day at work, and it's also in here when I'm not at work. I love this size because it fits perfectly in. This is a Leatherman I carry every day at work. I believe this is a Wave. Yep, Leatherman Wave. It's the leather sheath with the two, it's got side pockets. You can see this one's seen better days, but this fits perfectly inside here. It's a little bit easier to get on when I'm wearing it usually, but I can slip that in and out. This is on my belt. I've got a pen, a flashlight, and a Leatherman. Love the Streamlight flashlights. This one is 250 lumens, I believe. It's got a USB mini, micro, whatever that is, rechargeable. Maybe there's a USB-C version out now. I'll have to take a look for that, but right now the one I have is micro rechargeable. You know, I've got a couple different sizes of these. So there's the Macro Stream, and this is a AAA version of the Micro Stream. And then this is the original size I carried for years, and I believe it's two AAAs in here. Let me take a look. Yeah, two AAAs in there. I've carried these for a long time. When I worked as a mechanic in industrial maintenance, in manufacturing, I almost always had one of these in my shirt pocket. I've dropped these off of, you know, second story mezzanines on the concrete, and they survive. I think the first one I had for about 10 years, and I lost it. And this one I've probably had pretty close to 10 years. I like the pocket clip on these too, because you can stick that, the way that's folded over, if you can see, is that's designed to go on the front. You know, it can go on the front of your hat. So pretty cool setup. And you can be looking at what you need to look at, get some illumination. Otherwise, we've got a pen in here. These are handy. These are Zebra pens. And I don't remember what they are. F301, it looks like. So I'll put a link to these in the description as well. But kind of cool because they're nice and compact. But then they open up into a full-size pen, basically. Not the best writers out there, but very convenient to carry. So, and that's really about it for this organizer. I do have a field notes notebook in there, and I mean, there's still, I don't even have this thing completely loaded out. You can definitely fit quite a bit more gear in here. One of the things I'm always impressed with the Garage Built Gears designs is just how much stuff you can get, even in the smaller, mightier pouch. I'm just amazed at how much I can get in there, and it just seems to swallow it all up and zips up no problem. Okay, lastly, inside the bag, I've got my shades. Can't be without some sunglasses. So these are from Gators. Love these. These are the Magnum model. They're made in the US. Smoked polarized lenses on these. They're black anodized frames, and they're CNC milled frames. Pretty cool. We got the made in US right here, Magnum. There's this pretty cool blacked out flag on the top. Really great glasses. Stainless hardware for the hinges that's riveted in. These hinges are sturdy. I mean, I've been wearing these for I think 2 years-ish, and they're not loosening up. They show no signs of loosening up, but it does look like there's hardware in there you can tighten them with. So love these glasses. Definitely go check out their website. I was just on their website yesterday, and I was thinking about ordering another pair, different model, but these are great. Awesome wrap to them, so you're not getting any sun inside behind your lenses. What else? The other thing I really love about these is they don't interfere with the hat, and I'm pretty sure I have to look at the website again, but I think they're designed with that in mind. So you can wear a hat. It's not going to interfere with the brim of your hat. Some of the other brands I've got and some of the other even high dollar amount sunglasses I've bought in the past, I don't wear as much because they don't work well with a hat. And I also, I love the way aviators look, for instance, but I can't stand when I'm driving or even if I'm out and about and that, that sun's coming behind you and you can see the reflection inside the lenses. Got to have some wrap on my sunglasses. So these are bulletproof. The only thing I'll say about these, the only downside with the aluminum frames is that if you're participating in any outdoor activities when it's cold out, and I mean like really cold, freezing, below zero, those types of temperatures, but if you're outdoors in those types of temperatures, these really conduct a lot of cold and they're not comfortable to wear. They feel very cold on your face. You could feel it, pulling heat out of your face basically because of the aluminum frames. Otherwise, 99.9% of the time I'm wearing these sunglasses. So go check out their website. Great sunglasses. Normally they're in a pouch too, but I can't seem to find the pouch they came with. I think I may have left it in my last rental car. And that's really it. That's what I've got in my bag. So, I might get some comments. That's all I have in a 26-liter bag. I typically have some work-related gear in here that I skipped that. So you're not going to be interested in that gear, work laptop, stuff like that. So this right now is the personal stuff I carry on a daily basis, and it's some of my favorite carry gear 2024. What do you think? You guys own any of these things? You've got, anyone have Magnum sunglasses, garage built gear? Let me know what you think of this stuff in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts, opinions. If you've got any of this gear and want to talk about it below, definitely drop me a comment. I would also appreciate if you enjoyed this video, you hit the like button for me. And if you like bag reviews, everyday carry content, definitely consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks.